Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Riaz Hassan, PTI UK. Just want to clarify a few things. कल जो मैनचेस्टर एयरपोर्ट पे वाक़या हुआ, it was Speaker Asad Kaisar साहब का निजी दौरा था. He's not feeling well and he's here for some medical checkups. I'm extremely embarrassed and extremely disappointed for whatever happened at the airport. But I want to clarify a few things to the media जो कल से रिपोर्ट की जा रही हैं. The first thing, स्पीकर साहब ने IK लवर के प्रोग्राम में ऑन द स्पॉट इनकार नहीं किया था, बल्कि the day before स्पीकर साहब has personally declined to attend their event. I, as a PTI UK president, I advised them not to go ahead with the event rather than to postpone it. और उसका ये था कि when Asad Kaisar साहब is here, we will have a chat with him और उसके मुताबिक जब उनकी सेहत सही हो फिर हम कुछ उनके लिए अरेंज करेंगे. लेकिन बदकिस्मती से हमारे जो दो कोलीग्स थे, शहनाज सिद्दीकी and इमरान चौधरी, they have been suspended from the party for a number of weeks now. PTI जो lover group है, they have nothing to do with PTI, they're not being recognized by the party. They were the people who came and then damaged the party in its reputation. There will be appropriate action taken against them as per the party rules and regulation. दूसरा जो पॉइंट था जिस पे मैं क्लैरिफाई करना चाहता हूँ, और वो पॉइंट ज़रूरी था क्योंकि शहनाज सिद्दीकी हमारी जो पहले elected body के members थी, but now she's been suspended. She made some allegation of sexual harassment. So I really want to clarify that this is a cheap publicity stunt, and I'm extremely upset about this. PTI UK has zero tolerance about all kind of harassment, but especially जो sexual harassment की जितनी भी जो कोई भी इस तरह की event हो, we have zero tolerance against all kind of harassment. लोग मैं समझता हूँ they are not stupid. हम यहाँ पे UK में रहते हैं, not in Africa, and I'm really surprised that she didn't go to the police. If there was any kind of harassment from any of the elected members in PTI UK setup, why she didn't report it to us, why she didn't report it to the police and provided us with the person names and identity who was involved instead of doing all this drama. This was all just to malign the party in its reputation. But किस्मती से मैं एक क्वेश्चन पोज करूंगा आप लोगों के लिए. अगर स्पीकर साहब कल इसके इवेंट में जाते, वो इवेंट वहाँ पे वो अटेंड करते, दिन औरतों की जो इज्जत है वो महफूज होती. लेकिन क्योंकि उन्होंने उनका इवेंट नहीं किया तो अचानक एक ही लम्हे में औरतों की इज्जतें महफूज नहीं रही. प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का मतलब एक मौका मिला लोगों को ताकि पार्टी को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर ले. मेरी वाइफ, मेरे बच्चे, मेरी फैमिली, दे आर ऑल PTI मेंबर्स. शी डज अटेंड ऑल PTI इवेंट्स जहाँ पे भी पॉसिबल हो. We have women colleagues in PTI elected body setup, and they are playing very positive role. We have other women colleagues who've been playing very constructive role in PTI UK. Lekin these are all tactics of losers, I would say, and they're just trying to malign characters. I would suggest that इसकी proper investigation हो. And again I would say कि जिस तरह आयशा गुलालाई ने पाकिस्तान में exactly इसी nature के जो allegation लगाए थे उसका क्या मिला, कुछ भी नहीं. लेकिन मैं यहाँ पे recommend करूँगा कि जिस बंदे ने sexual harassment की है और इसको पता है, please जाके उन पे केस कर ले, and I will be the person who will support that. We are going to have a press conference later this afternoon, PTI UK General Secretary, and we will clarify on these issues further. Thank you very much.